Ever wondered what's new in the iOS 17.3 update that was released on January 22nd? Well, today we're going to delve into all of its nuances. This update is a heavyweight, coming in at 6.25 gigabytes with a build number of 21D50. But what does all this mean to you, the user? That's precisely what we'll be exploring in this video. We'll be dissecting the fresh features that this update brings to the table, the performance enhancements that promise to make your device run smoother, and the significant features that make this update a game-changer. From the new Unity Boom wallpaper designed to spice up your device's aesthetics, to the security feature for lost or stolen devices, and even the shared playlist feature on Apple Music, we have a lot to cover. So, stay tuned as we dive into the details of the features and improvements this update brings to your iOS devices. Let's start with the exciting new features that iOS 17.3 has to offer. First on the list is the Unity Boom wallpaper. This fresh addition to the wallpaper collection embodies the spirit of Unity. With its dynamic design and vibrant colors, it's sure to add a touch of style to your iPhone or iPad. Next, we have the Stolen Device Protection feature, a new security upgrade aimed at lost or stolen devices. This feature adds an extra layer of security, providing peace of mind in unfortunate circumstances. It's an innovation that underscores Apple's commitment to user privacy and security. Moving on, Apple Music users are in for a treat with the Shared Playlists feature. This new addition allows you to create and share playlists with your friends and family directly on Apple Music, making the music experience more interactive and social. Whether it's a road trip mix or a workout playlist, sharing your favorite tunes has never been easier. Last but certainly not least is the AirPlay support in hotels. This feature enables you to stream audio and video from your iPhone or iPad to AirPlay-compatible devices in hotels. Whether you're on a business trip or a vacation, you can enjoy your favorite movies, shows, or music on the big screen. All you need is your iPhone or iPad and a compatible device. These features not only enhance the user experience but also bring a new level of functionality to your devices. From adding a dash of style with the Unity Boom wallpaper, fortifying security with the Stolen Device Protection, making music more social with shared playlists, to taking your entertainment on the go with AirPlay support in hotels, iOS 17.3 is truly a game-changer. And that wraps up the new features in iOS 17.3. But hold on, we're just getting started. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the improvements and optimizations that this update brings to the table. Now, let's delve into the improvements and optimizations in the iOS 17.3 update. A key highlight of this update is the optimization of the accident detection feature for iPhone 14 and iPhone 15 models. This feature, which is designed to automatically alert emergency services and your emergency contacts in the event of a hard fall or sudden impact, has been fine-tuned for increased accuracy and responsiveness. The algorithm now takes into account a wider range of factors, including the user's age, height, weight, and the type of activity they're engaged in. This means the feature can now better differentiate between a real fall and a false alarm, reducing unnecessary distress calls, while ensuring help is on the way when you really need it. Beyond this vital safety feature, the iOS 17.3 update also brings a host of system improvements and bug fixes that aim to enhance the overall user experience. For starters, the operating system is now smoother and more responsive than ever. This is thanks to under-the-hood tweaks that reduce latency, improve memory management, and optimize CPU usage. Whether you're browsing the web, playing a game, or juggling multiple apps, you'll notice that your device feels faster and more fluid. But it's not just about speed. The update also squashes several pesky bugs that users have been reporting. Issues related to Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth pairing, and battery drain have been addressed, making for a more seamless and reliable user experience. Apple has also made improvements to the stability of its native apps, including Safari, Mail, and Photos, ensuring they run without a hitch. In addition to these, the update also improves the compatibility of the iOS with various third-party apps. So, whether it's your favorite fitness tracker or that game you can't stop playing, you'll find they work better and crash less often on iOS 17.3. In summary, the iOS 17.3 update is not just about new features. It's also about refining and improving what's already there, making your device more reliable, efficient, and enjoyable to use. These improvements aim to make your device more reliable and efficient. Another handy feature that comes with this update is the ability to check your AppleCare and warranty status right from your settings. To do this, start by tapping on your name at the top of the Settings app. which will bring up the Apple ID screen. From here, you'll find a list of devices associated with your Apple ID. Select any device from the list, and you'll see detailed information about that device, including its AppleCare and warranty status. If your device is covered by AppleCare, you'll see an AppleCare plan option. Tapping on it will provide you with more detailed information about your coverage. If you don't have AppleCare, you'll see the option to purchase it right there. This is a great way to keep track of your coverage and ensure you're protected. This feature makes it easier to manage your Apple devices and services. With all these features and improvements, the question arises, should you download this update? Well, let's look at the potential benefits and drawbacks. To begin with, the iOS 17.3 update introduces a slew of new features, from the stylish Unity Boom wallpapers to the shared playlists on Apple Music. These features not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your device but also improve the functionality and the overall user experience. Moreover, the update brings significant performance improvements and system enhancements. For instance, the new stolen device protection provides an extra layer of security for lost or stolen devices, which could be a game changer for many. Additionally, the accident detection optimizations for the iPhone 14 and iPhone 15 models are designed to make your device smarter and more responsive to real-world situations. However, it's also important to consider the update's size. At 6.25 gigabytes, it's quite hefty and may take a while to download and install, especially if you're on a slower internet connection. Also, keep in mind that updates can sometimes introduce new bugs or compatibility issues with certain apps, so it's always a good idea to back up your device before proceeding. In terms of performance, while most users have reported noticeable improvements, a few have experienced minor issues, such as decreased battery life or slower app loading times. These issues, though, are usually resolved with subsequent minor updates. To sum it up, the decision to download the iOS 17.3 update hinges on your specific needs and circumstances. If you're excited about the new features and aren't overly concerned about the potential drawbacks, then it's probably worth the update. On the other hand, if you're happy with your device's current performance and don't feel the need for the new features, you might want to hold off for a bit. Ultimately, the decision to update lies with you, the user. That wraps up our detailed look at the iOS 17.3 update. We've delved into the array of new features this update brings to the table, from Unity Boom wallpapers that add style to your device, to enhanced protection for lost or stolen devices. We've also explored the shared playlists on Apple Music and how you can stream audio and video to AirPlay-compatible devices in hotels. We've covered the improvements and optimizations, particularly for the iPhone 14 and 15 models with accident detection features. We've also discussed the various bug fixes and system enhancements that come with this update. We've shown you how to check your AppleCare and warranty status in the settings, and we've weighed in on whether it's worth downloading this update. Remember, updates not only bring new features, but also improve the overall performance and security of your device. Until next time.